I'm gonna show you how great I am.
5,
On the back side.
4,
We're over here on site.
3, 2, 1.
What's up, everybody? My name is Eric B.L.A.N. Today we're going to be talking about the Wagtail and its newest product out on the market. Before we get going, we're going to have a sponsorship video, but if you haven't subscribed, now's the time to do it. Revolution in window cleaning has arrived. The new Precision Glide Wagtail Pivotal Cleaning Tool has wingtips precision detailing of edges, constant hydration, wash and wipe in a single swipe, nylon movements as well. Order yours today. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. We're going to be talking about the Wagtail and the latest and greatest from them. We're going to go ahead and say thank you right now for our sponsorship from Wagtail. Thank you guys so much for the product. I really appreciate it. Now, I'm going to jump right in. We're going to be talking about this. As you can see in the background, you're going to see me working with this tool. I take a bead of solution and I go at the very top of the window, or the top of the door that you see there. And this is already pre-wet. So I pre-wet this in my bucket on either side like so. I take a bead of soap and I run it right along in between the edge there. This is almost like a V shape, if you will, on the pad itself. It is awesome. The hydration that little pad keeps up, I'm telling you, it's so super fast, especially if you're doing weekly accounts, if you're doing bi-weekly accounts, monthly accounts. It's just super fast, especially on the inside. I mean, you don't need a lot of water. You can use one of those little bottles that I have for an entire restaurant. I'm telling you, you don't have to worry about your bucket laying around, nothing. This product is going to get you home faster, way faster. There's no gimmicks behind it. It's super simple. If you have worked the Wagtail, it does take just a little, momentum on there. Don't forget to, make sure that your rubber is, get ready to go. If you start off with a cold rubber, it's not going to work as well as if a rubber that you already have on the glass for a while. It works phenomenal, you guys. I will promise you that you're going to end up at your house a lot sooner. My employee goes to me, I said, "What do you think about it?" He goes, it's like you're cheating." And I was like, yeah, pretty much, because it's so fast. He was sitting there mopping it up, mopping the window. Then he's taking his squeegee out. He's placing his brush back in. He's, muscle memory. He's quick on it too. But he goes, "Oh my gosh, it eliminates that extra step. You can do 2 windows at the time I do 1 window." So imagine if you've got 60 windows, if you can do it 2 versus 1 every single time you go, it's a lot faster. Let's say if you have some fingerprints over here, and what are you gonna do? You're gonna go across. I say this is the window. You're gonna go across, and what I do is I stop, go like this, and you're initially scrubbing the fingerprints off the window, and then like this motion, and then going down right back into your S motion, and away you can go on the door. Super simple and fast and easy. If you do have to have something else, let's say you have to have bronze wool, you can bronze wool it real quick if you would like to or choose to, but this pad does that for you. It's phenomenal. So what is the specs on this? This one here, I brought the tape measure out here. We're just gonna go from metal to metal. We're not gonna do metal or squeegee to rubber here. It's 15.5 inches. So 15.5 inches in length, this one is. And then let's see, without the rubber, we're at 1.5. With the rubber, you're about 1 3/4, okay? In depth wise, the handle is an amazing handle. It's very comfortable on your hand. The pivotal movement on the nylon movement is just phenomenal. It's a long-lasting product for sure. The connection where you would put your pole in will connect with just about any pole that you would have out there. So remember that. If not, you can get a little cone adapter and put that right on in there. But this is a phenomenal product. Make sure you go and just thank Willie for creating products like this, because it makes my job a lot funner when we have awesome products like this that are gonna make the job quicker, make it easier for us, and that way we can get home to our families. How cool is that, you guys? So if you guys haven't heard about this one yet or haven't seen it yet, definitely give it a go. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Have a great day.